Children. Good morning, our students. We will study today Unit 4, Lesson 1, Geometrical Concepts, the relations between the angles. Geometrical concepts. Number 1, the line segment. The line segment is a set of points consisted of two distinct points and all points between them when we join them by a ruler. We studied before the line segment has the two ends point, and the symbol is as this. Okay, on the top of the two letters is used to denote the line segment. The opposite figure represents the line segment, whose end points is A and B, and it's denoted by AB or BA. We can write it as length of AB equal 4 centimeter, or AB 4 centimeter, or BA 4 centimeter. Number 2, the ray. The ray is a line segment extended from only one of its terminals without limit. We studied before a ray has a starting point and it has no ending point, and the symbol of this on the top of the starting point, and any other point on the ray is used to denote the ray. If the line segment AB is extended from its terminal B without limit in the straight line, we will get the ray AB, which starts at A and pass through the point B, and it's denoted by the symbol AB. And we can write it as AB as a ray. If the line segment AB is extended from its terminal A without a limit in the straight line, we will get the ray BA, which starts at B and pass through the point A, and we denote it by the symbol BA. And we can write it as BA. Now we note that AB array not equal to BA as a ray, because here I have a starting point from AB as a ray, but the next one, BA, is a ray start from point B. Number 3, the straight line. The straight line is a line segment extended from both directions infinitely. We studied before a straight line doesn't have a starting point and ending points, and the symbol is this. On the top of the two letters is used to denote the straight line. In the opposite figure represents the straight line, which passing through the 2 points A and B, and it's denoted by AB as a straight line or BA as a straight line. We can write it as AB as a straight line and BA as a straight line. Note that AB as a line segment subset from AB as a ray, and AB as a ray subset from AB as a straight line. Then AB is a line segment subset from AB as a ray subset from AB as a straight line. Number 4, the angle. The angle is the union of the two rays with the same starting point, and this point is called the vertex of the angle, and the two rays are called the two sides of the angle. For example, or in the opposite figure, AB and AC are two rays having the same starting point A. Then AB as a ray union with AC as a ray equals the angle CAB. Here point A is the vertex of the angle CAB, and AB and AC are two sides of the angle CAB. So we can write it as angle BAC or angle CBA or angle A. Okay, now the type of the angles according to their measures. Number 1, zero angle. Its measure equals 0 degree. Its sides are coincident. Number 2, acute angle. Its measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. And we can write it as measure of acute angle more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Number 3, the right angle. Its measure equal 90 degree. Number 4, obtuse angle. Its measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And we can write it as measure of obtuse angle more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Number 5, straight angle. Its measure equal 180. Its sides are forming one straight line. In this year, we will study a new angle. It's called reflex angle. Its measure is more than 180 and less than 360. And we can write it as measure of reflex angle more than 180 and less than 360. Okay, now some relation between the angles. Some relations between the angles. Number 1, complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, the two adjacent supplementary angles, the two outer sides of the two adjacent angles. Number 1, complementary angles. The two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. If I have measure angle A equals 35 and measure angle B 55, their sum equal 90, so it's complementary angle. Measure angle B equal 55, measure angle A equal 35, their sum equal 90 degree. So angle A and angle B are called complementary because their sum is 90 degree. Remarks. Zero angle complements with right angle. Acute angle complements with acute angle. Right angle complements with zero angle. Okay, now if angle A complements with angle B, then measure angle A equal measure angle B equal 45. If angle A complements with B, with angle B, and angle C complements with angle B, then measure angle A equal to measure angle C. Supplementary angles. The two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180. Measure angle B equal 143 degree and measure angle A 37 degree. Their sum equal 180 degree. So angle A and angle B are called supplementary because their sum is 180. Remarks. Zero angle supplements with straight angle. Acute angle supplements with obtuse angle to be 180. Right angle supplements with right angle. Obtuse angle supplements with acute angle. Straight angle supplements with zero angles. If angle A supplements with angle B, then measure angle A equal measure angle B equal 90 degree. If angle A supplements with angle B and angle C supplements with angle B, then measure angle A equals to measure angle C. Adjacent angles. The two angles are said to be adjacent if they have the common vertex and the common side. Common vertex and the common side. And the other two sides are on the opposite sides of this common side. In the opposite figure, angle ABD and angle DBC are two adjacent angles because they have the common vertex B and the common side BD. The two other sides BA and BC are on two opposite sides of BD. Okay, in the opposite figure are the angle ABD and angle ABC adjacent angles. Are the two angles are adjacent? No. Angle ABD and angle ABC are not two adjacent angles because the two sides BD and BC are on the same side of the common side of BA. The two adjacent supplementary angle. The two adjacent angle formed by a straight line and a ray with a starting point on this straight line are supplementary. In the opposite figure, if AB as a straight line intersect with CD as a ray equal the set of C. Therefore, measure angle ACD plus measure angle DCB equal 180 as a straight angle. And if measure angle ACD equal 135, then measure angle DCB equal 180 degree minus 135 degree equal 45 degree. The two outer sides of the two adjacent angles. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, then their outer sides are on the same straight line. For example, the first one, MA as a ray and MC as a ray are on the same straight line because measure angle AMB plus measure angle BMC equal 50 degree plus 130 degree equal 180 degree. But in this figure, YX as a ray and YL as a ray are not on the same straight line because measure angle XYZ plus measure angle ZYL equal 38 degree plus 141 degree equal 179 degree, not equal 180. Now, example, complete. The measure of the straight angle equal 180 degree. The measure of zero angle equals 0 degree. The measure of the right angle equals 90 degree. The two complementary angles are the two angles whose sum of measures is 90 degree. The two supplementary angles are the two angles whose sum of measures is 180 degree. The two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and a ray with a starting point on this straight line are supplementary. That's right. If the two outer sides of two adjacent angles are perpendicular then the two or these two adjacent angles are complementary. If the two outer sides of two adjacent angles are on the same straight line, then these two adjacent angles are supplementary. If the two adjacent angles are supplementary, then their outer sides are on the same straight line. The angle whose measure is 50 degrees complements an angle of measure what? Complements its mean 90. So 90 minus 50 equal 40 degrees. And supplements an angle of measure is, supplement is 180. So 180 minus 50 equal 130. The angle whose measure is what? Complements the angle whose measure is 30. Complement is 90. So 90 minus 30 equal 60 degrees. So the angle whose measure is 60 complements the angle whose measure is 30. And supplements an angle whose measure is supplement 180. So here 180 minus 60 equal 120. The angle whose measure is what? Complements the angle whose measure is what? And supplement the angle whose measure is 150. Supplementary equal 180. Supplements 180 minus 150. So the angle whose measure is 30. Complement the angle whose measure is what? Complement is 90. So 90 minus 30 equal 60 degrees. The acute angle complements with what angle? Acute يبقى complement with an acute angle and supplement with an obtuse angle. Zero angle is complement by right angle, and it's a supplement by zero supplement with straight angle. The right angle is complement by what? This is right. يبقى complement with what? With zero angle, and supplement by right angle. The obtuse angle supplements with acute angle, an acute angle. If angle A supplement with angle B, angle A supplement with angle B, then angle B and angle C are equal in measure. If angle X complement with angle Y, angle Z complement with angle Y, then angle Z and angle X are equal in measure. In the opposite figure, B belongs to AC. Measure angle XBY equal 80 degrees. Measure angle ABY equal 40 degrees. Then measure angle XBC equal what? In this figure, AC is a straight line. So measure angle ABY plus measure angle YBX plus measure angle XBC equal 180. So measure angle XBC equal 180 minus 80 degree plus 40 degree equal 60 degree. In the opposite figure, the value of X equal what? This is a straight line. Here measure angle 40 and this is a right angle. So the value of X equal 180 minus 90 plus 40 equal 50 degree. Choose the correct answer. AB as a line segment to AB as array. Belong, doesn't belong, subset or not subset? Subset. Okay. AB as array union with AC as array equal what? Equal angle BAC. The angle whose measure is 108 is a angle. Obtuse angle, an obtuse angle. The angle whose measure is 200 degree. Its type is 200. It's more than 180, so it's reflex angle. If measure angle x equal 70 degree, then the reflex of angle x equal what? We study the reflex angle equal more than 180 and less than 360. Okay, this is 70 degree, so we can write 360 minus 70, so the answer will be 290 degree. If measure angle ABC equal 105 degree, then the measure of reflex angle ABC equal what? Reflex 360 minus reflex 360 minus 360 minus 105, the answer will be 255. If we measure angle A equal 54 and measure angle B equal 36, then A and B are A angle. Are A angle are complementary. Their sum equal 90, so it's complementary angle. The angle of measure 48 complements of angle of measure what? Complements again. Complements, it's mean 90 degree. So 48 to become 90, so we write 90 minus 48 equals 42. The right angle complements angle whose measure is 0 degree. The sum of the measure of the two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and the array with a starting point on this straight line is 180. The two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and array with a starting point on this straight line are supplementary. If measure angle B equals 38, then its supplementary is of measure supplementary 180 minus 38. The answer will be 142. The obtuse angle supplements with an acute angle. If measure angle A equals 35 and angle A supplements with angle B, then measure angle B equal supplements 180 minus 35. The answer will be 145. In the opposite figure, if AB as a straight line intersects with CD as the ray equals the set of C, then the value of x equal, since measure angle BCD plus measure angle DCA equal 180, then 4x plus x equal 180. So 5x equal 180, then x equal 180 divided 5 equal 36 degree. In the opposite figure, the value of x equal what? This is the right angle. So since measure angle AMB plus measure angle BMC equal 90 degree, then 2x plus 50 equal 90 degree. 2x equal 90 degree minus 50 equal 40 degree. So 2x equal 40 degree. Then the value of 1x equal 40 degree divided 2 equals to 20 degree. If the two adjacent angles are complementary, then their outer sides are perpendicular. If angle A complements with angle B, measure angle A equal measure angle B, then measure angle A equals to 45. If measure angle X equal to measure angle Y and angle X complements with angle Y, then measure angle Y equals to 30 degree.